Alrighty guys, today I'm going to show you how to animate a character creator for character in Iclone and then take it back into character creator 4 and export it into Unity. Alright, so first off what we're going to do is we're going to go into the script, and select which character and or phrase we're going to do. And today I'm going to do, "Hi, my name is Jeremy. Nice to meet you." Perfect. I'm going to go ahead and copy that. And then I'm going to go ahead and change the highlight color to light blue, just so I can indicate to everyone else that I have already animated this phrase. And then we're going to take note that this phrase is sitting. So we're going to go into our Elementy, and we are going to paste the phrase that we are going to use. And then you can go into the voices and choose your voice. For him, we are going to use Magnus. LOL, I can't read. And then we're going to generate that.
My name is Jeremy. Nice to meet you.
Go ahead and download that. Open the file. Rename the file. Rename chapter 2 underscore Jeremy underscore. Oh, whoops. Underscore A. My name is. Perfect. And then we are going to take this and take it up into our voices folder. Perfect. Go ahead and close that. Minimize this. And then I'm going to go ahead and open Character Creator 4. Let that load. Alright, and once that is opened, we're going to open our character. Perfect. And then we're going to go File, Export, Send to Iclone, Send to Iclone. Let it load again. Alrighty, and now that Jeremy's here, we're gonna get started. Alrighty, so I already have an animation in my Iclone, but we're gonna ignore that. And I'm just gonna start at 270, but y'all will start at 0 in y'all's timeline. And y'all may not have like this motion stuff quite yet, just because I already have one established. But yours should pretty much look like this. And then you'll go over here into the motion tab on the right. You'll go create script, Acculips, and then you're going to go pull up that audio file that we just created and then generate text. Perfect. And sometimes it gets it on the first try, sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes you have to help and correct what they're saying. But this time it got it perfect, so I'll just apply. And then you can see that you get a voice down here. This is just our voice tab. And we can kind of see what that looks like.
Hey, my name is Jeremy. Nice to meet you.
Alright, beautiful. And then for animations, we have two options. One I've discovered is Motion Puppet. You can come in here. There's animations. Let's see if there's any sitting. It looks like these are gonna be like physical animations, but if we want them idle, I think we're able to go here to Accupose. And I think we're able to choose which pose they're in through this, but I prefer the other one. All right, I'm gonna do motion puppet. I'm just gonna make him idle, do a natural idle. And then the way we do this is we're gonna record, click spacebar.
Hey, my name is Jeremy. Nice to meet you.
Click spacebar again, and then our puppet should have animations.
Hey, my name is Jeremy. Nice to meet you.
Perfect. Now, to collect the clip, we have this collect clip tab right over here to your left. And what you'll do is you're literally click right where you want it to start. And then pull it for the full length of your clip. It's a little sensitive, so be careful. And then I'll do it just to the end of his speaking. And then you'll right click on this blue line, add to motion plus library. And we're gonna ignore this because that was the trial I did earlier. I'm gonna delete that actually, but perfect. I'm gonna name it chapter 2, Jeremy, hey, my name. Yes, replace it. Alright, perfect. And now that we have that saved, we can move back into our character creator 4. Got that little guy right here. And then we'll go here, motion, perform list editor, add chapter 2, Jeremy, hey, my name is. Open that, and now it's added. And then we can have him perform it.
Hey, my name is Jeremy. Nice to meet you. Hey, my name is Jeremy.
And then you can choose animations over here as well, based on what you want them to do and stuff like that. For Jeremy, we just want him sitting. So I'm gonna do sit talk. Let's see how this is.
Hey, my name is Jeremy. Nice to meet you.
Perfect. The sit talk is a little longer than the speaking phrase, but that's okay because I'm gonna show you something cool. What we're gonna do right here is we're gonna figure out how long our talking is.
Hey, my name is Jeremy. Nice to meet you.
Perfect. 193. So I believe that's 193 frames. And then we can come up here, export FBX, clothed character is fine. And then we're gonna do Unity 3D motion because we only want the animation. We don't want the character model as well. And then we're gonna do current animation, and I can range it from 0 to 193 because that's the frame rate that it ends at. Oh, whoops. Perfect. And then we're gonna unclick first frame in bind pose because then if we did that, every single animation that we would have would start out in like a T pose and then transform into the animation. So we'll click export, okay. And here are a couple of my animations. Go ahead and create a new folder. Oh, whoops. What is happening? Actor 2. Jeremy. Hey, my name is. Alrighty, save that. Let it load. I'm gonna go ahead and close Iclone. And then now that's loaded, I'm gonna go ahead and close character creator 4. I'm not gonna save. You can choose to save. You should probably save. And then I'm gonna go into GitHub and pull to make sure I have the updated version of Bedlam. This may take a second. Alrighty, pull origin. Perfect, now we're up to date. Oh, just kidding, they're still updating. Okay. And then I'm gonna open up our Unity. Open up Bedlam. Alrighty, now that we've loaded in, let's get started. Okay. We are going to go to our animations folder. And then I'm going to do talking Jeremy. And then I will open my folder and go to my imotion. Nope, that's wrong. Don't go to your imotion file. Alrighty, open your FBX that we just created. Drag it down into there. Now we have this. We're going to go over here and we're going to source this to the temp motion, not the T-pose. We'll apply that. And then we're going to go to rig. And we are going to do humanoid, copy from another avatar, and then we're going to go ahead and do Jeremy because that's the character we're doing. Apply. I'm going to ignore that warning. And let's go and find Jeremy real quick. Oh, whoopsie. I'll come up here to characters. Doesn't look like Jeremy's in the scene yet, which is a-okay. I'll just place him. Oh, wait. There he is. So, now I'll go into my Jeremy controller. Delete those guys. That was just a test. And I can pull this Jeremy, hey, my name is, onto here. That should be good. And then we can go to Jeremy. And his animator controller needs to be Jeremy test, because that's where I am testing this animation to make sure it works. And then we can press play. And there we go. We got him animated and moving. Right there, it only played the animation once, but if you'd like to, you can go into the animation, click animation, and then you can go to loop time, and then go apply. And then now, it'll just consist of him looping over and over again. And then we can go into the game and go check Jeremy out. Let's do it. So this animation does cause him to kind of turn over in a circle. Oh, and ignore his boxers. We'll fix that. But then you can see him looping the animation. Hey, my name is. Perfect. And then to fix the boxers, it's honestly a really easy thing. I'll just go ahead and show that right now. We're going to make our way back to Jeremy. Click him down. And I'm literally just going to delete the boxers because they're all up in the way. Delete. And then we got no more boxers, so they won't peek through. All right, guys. That's a little quick tutorial on how to do it. If you have any more questions, just let me know.